Right, as I tell you, last week we done the featherboard with the shape, and I showed you how to shape the featherboard. Right, this week we're going to show how to do the upright board with the spaces. Firstly, take the battery out, your jigsaw, take the blade out, that's the blade for the last job. Every job, new blade, put a new blade in, right, a new blade every job, get your blades out, and a new blade in, right? Shouldn't put that in my mouth here, I'll put it away for that, right? Right, then put the blade in, and that's it, perfectly safe. Then put your battery back in. Safety first, folks, safety, do it the safety ways Max Bagney have said. Right, then we come over here. Right, this is the jig for last week, famous, right? Priceless, nobody's buying it, nobody's getting it. Right, you see I've started up there, and you'll see all the pencil mark. This is 8 inches, you go there, see like this shape here. You go like that there, you use the rail, the top of the rail as your line to mark it, you see what I'm saying? And then you go like that there, right? Now, this is the stopper, right? And what we do is, we move that down as we move along, right? And this is where I differ from people with string line. I think this is a better way because it gives you a better judge, right? Of line, of squareness. Because sometimes rails are all square, they go like that, they go like the electric blade. Until you people don't know about the electric blade, you will find out, because I'm going to do a David Nixon trick in that will show you all in a future date. There's your spacer, showed you yesterday when we start with our baseline there, with our kickboard. You put your first rail on, then you work out your proportion. You've that there, you sit, that there, can't go wrong. That's what you do, as easy as that. Now here I'm going to show you, so basically this means you can start anywhere. Right, hold on, to put my FG's on, my Foster Grants on, look at that. Or my Carlos Fandango glasses, right. So what you do, you walk up obviously, left leg first, right leg after that. Then you come up in here, and you go like that. Start your great bit of kick. That's it, so then you do it all the way down, go there, go like that there, and that's you. You get the sander's there, and we sand that there. This is a palm held jigsaw, palm held, brilliant bit of kit, and that's it. And 6 amp battery too, we'll only use the best WSC expensive. And that's the way you do an upright board with spacing. Now when I leave you my followers, use naughty followers to guess what's missing from me today. Only use guess. See you all later, folks.